happy hands. Clap them nice and slow. Clap, clap, clap your happy hands. Watch your smile glow. Clap up high above your head. Clap down low by your toes. Clap, clap, clap again. That's the way it goes. Stomp, stomp, stomp your little feet. Stomp upon the ground. Stomp, stomp, stomp your little feet. Listen to the sound. Stomp like a giant dinosaur. Stomp like a tiny mouse. Big stomp, small stomp. Shake the whole house. Spin, spin, spin around. Turn like a little top. Spin, spin, spin around. And then gently stop. Wiggle fingers, wiggle toes. Reach up to the sky. Spin and laugh together. Wave and say hi. Touch your head, touch your knees, touch your shoulders if you please. Jump up high, 1, 2, 3. Come and sing with me. Clap and stomp and spin around. Learning is so fun. When we play and sing together, everyone's number one. Laugh and dance and shout hooray. Let your joy shine bright. Every single happy day. Morning, noon, and night.
Okay, everyone, let's all clap up high. And now down low.